Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own invoice with Odoo and how the whole process works for the invoices. So primarily you want to use the accounting app where I'm right now. So when I'm going to go here right here, you're going to find the accounting right here, or if you're not finding it, you need to go to apps and find the accounting somewhere here, all right, or like right in the search. Now you want to click on accounting, then you're going to have the customers where you're going to find invoices. Now what you want to do also, what I recommend to do is that you can create a customer first and then create a product first. So you would click new here and you are just going to create a product. When you are going to create a product, then you can move further to create an invoice. Now of course you can create also the product directly in the invoice, but it's great to just like prepare it right here for you. Now here on the invoices, when you're going to be on Odoo, I can click new here. And then you're going to have the customer. So let's say this is the something that I already added. And then I have invoice date, which is going to be today. And then I can add product here. So this is something that I also have added, the office supplies. And this is the account that I have. Now you can also add a section, add a note, catalog. And the quantity is going to be, let's say 5. Price 5 and taxes is 23%, because in my country the politicians were like completely berserk, so to like suffocate the entrepreneurs, so therefore we got a lot of higher taxes. Now here 23%, and we're gonna have the journal items here that you can, like, you see the account here, the subscribers and other info. And you're going to have the payment terms. Now automatically when you are going to create your own customer, you can set up what kind of payment terms you are going to have there. So like for example the 15 days, or you're going to have the taxable supply date. That's like another thing that you can add. Now how it works, you're going to click confirm, and this is the kind of like the invoicing. Now how it works is that when you're going to create your own first invoice, you have to set up the number, the structure for the numbering. So like 2026, like 001. This is how I have it in my own country. So here you can have like 2026, 002, 003, 004, right? Does it make sense? And when you have that, then you're going to click here and you can like send it. And before you're going to send it, you want to also preview it, how it looks like. So right here, you see, for example, this is the invoice. Now you have to add your data for kind of like about your company, the address, the VAT, everything that automatically you can, when you're going to have it as a preview, you're going to send the link and they can like pay it. They can download or like pay it also directly on the send, which is like very good, by the way. So that's how it works, and that's the whole process. Now, okay, you can also edit the thing here, but I'm not going to do it with this video. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Let me also show you. Now you can also print it, you can like send it, and you can have like logo here, the address, the tagline, the footer, all those things that you can like edit here. Let's say I can have like layout bubble. Well, I really like the bubble here. It's like cool, or like dual lines. Even the lines is great. So you can have the table if you want to have like as a box, let's say, or you're gonna like strip. So let's say I'm going to have the box and or like column. Let's go with the column, and then you can like edit it for yourself. Now in the moment when you're going to press continue, what you can do is you can like send it and invoice. Here's your invoice amounting from me. Please remit payment or else convenience. And you're going to have the invoice right here. Now in the moment when you're going to have it, you are going to find here also the reset to draft. So if you want to edit it, I can click here, reset to draft, and then you can add like other information here. So if I want, I can add like the delivery date, the recipient bank, the payment method, the auto post, just kind of like the other important things here. And you can also add attachments here on the bottom right? So that's something that you can do. Now, when I would like confirm it, then what you can do is that you can actually like click here pay. So let's say it was already paid because someone paid it for like cash, or like they paid it on your batch deposit, and you would have it like as a bank for journal, and then you would like create payment for it. So that's something that you can actually do. So that's pretty much it, how it works. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and you want to just like set up your own company profile. And when you're gonna set up your own company profile, right, is about like the setup, the taxes and all the important things. Then you can like move further to have it like good, right? Also, let your customers pay their invoice online. You can also add the QR code, so that's great. And you can also click here, add a QR code to your invoices. For example, I pay primarily for the QR code through the Stripe, for example, when I pay, or like what I pay for when I pay invoices. And here is like, for example, the vendor payments, and for example, the company, and you just want to like scout through these things and like fill it out, like what are the important things primarily in your own country. But that's pretty much it, how you're going to set up the accounting and how you're going to set up the invoices for the Odoo. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.